Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at JavaScript array sum and every function. Now if you have a particular array and if you want to find out whether any one item of that array satisfies a particular condition, you can use the sum function. And if you want to find out whether all the items of your array satisfies a particular type of condition, then you can use the every function. So let me show it through some example. Let's say you have an array of cars where you have car objects, and car object has properties like name, engine type, and engine capacity. Now let's say if you want to see if your car array has at least one car which is electric, you can use the sum function, and this is how you will use it. Let's say I create a variable present and I'm going to assign, and I'm going to use my cars array, and I'm going to call sum. Alright, sum will take a callback function which has one parameter, which is basically each item of the array. So let's name that car. Okay, and it's going to return the condition, and the condition here is we are checking for engine type. Alright, engine type equal to electric. Alright, so now what's going to happen is it is going to iterate through, sum is going to iterate through each item of your array, and it is going to check if the items in your array satisfy this condition. Alright, and if at least one of the items satisfies this condition, sum is going to return a boolean true. Okay, so both sum and every are going to return boolean values. They are not going to return an array. Alright, so now let's console log this. Alright, so if I run this, you'll see we'll get a value of true because we have an electric car over here. Okay, so let's say we try to find something which is not present in our property. Let's say we find cost is equal to 900. Okay, now we know that we don't have any item which has cost 900. Alright, so if I run this, let me clear this out. If I run this, you'll see it will return false because none of the item has cost 900. Alright, so now let's look at every function. Now let's say if you want to check if all the items of your car array have cost 100, alright, which it does, right? So to do that, what we'll do is like we'll check every. Alright, okay, and it is going to check cost 100. And let me clear this console output, and if I run this, it's gonna return true because every item in our cars array has cost of 100. Now let's say if you are checking for the engine type, let's say if you are checking if all the cars are of petrol type, alright, which is not, right, because we have petrol engines as well as diesel and electric engines, right? So this should return false. So it's gonna return me false because not all the cars in our cars array is of type petrol. We have different engines as well, diesel and electric as well. Alright, so this is how sum and every work. I hope this was informative. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you have any more doubts, please leave it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.